What's going on, everybody? Holy macaroni. We got one heck of a day today. Lots to discuss, lots to go through. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number one, NVIDIA reports. Incredible report. It was net phenomenal. And I think the price action in NVIDIA, I'm going to put a chart right here so you can take a look at what it did today after it reported that phenomenal quarter. That should be a big glaring yellow, if not yellow, red light to consider where you're throwing your money as it relates to AI and semiconductors, chip names specifically. Now, conversely to that, I think an interesting dynamic is that as you see NVIDIA and a lot of the SMH stocks dip this morning, look at the IGV. Look at a bunch of these software stocks that reported this morning, like CRM, Synopsys, Snowflake, The Trade Desk, Zoom, gapped lower, found a little bit of a bid. Not all of them are green on the day. Some of them are still red on the day. Some of them faded. I know Zoom looked pretty ugly later. There's slowly but surely this rotation happening, very clear rotation happening, I think, out of semis and into software, because software has been left for dead and semis are priced for absolute perfection. And if NVIDIA can't rally and the market can't rally on a report as good as NVIDIA's, that should tell you something. Another chart that I wanted to put up here, there's been a lot of talk about oil the last few days, and more specifically, the US holding discussions with Iran. I'm going to put a chart on oil here. I don't know what conclusions to draw. It's been very choppy price action. There's obviously a ton going on. There was a lot of reports this morning. I didn't get through every single one, but like I said, the biggest thing to take away from today is to pay attention to this rotation out of semiconductor and AI levered names and into some unloved parts of the market like software. And I used to say that the staples and the utilities were unloved parts of the market. That is no longer the case. I'll put a year-to-date chart on utilities and on the staples right here so you can see these stocks have had huge run-ups now, almost unsustainably fast run-ups. I don't know if those are the sectors anymore that are going to receive funds when we need to sell AI and semis, but I would be paying attention to IGV and some of the larger stocks in the software space. So that's all I have to say for today. We've got a podcast dropping tomorrow, another short form episode dropping tomorrow. Take care. I hope you have a phenomenal Thursday, and I'll see you back here on Friday.